Look what I have! New Sephora Favorites Perfect Pout Lip Kit. Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel, Colors of Life with Fakiha. If you are new here, I'm Fakiha. So you guys might be thinking why I have not posted longer videos lately. So the reason is I got so focused on creating reels for my TikTok and Instagram and of course shorts for my YouTube. But now I have decided to make more longer videos. Before moving to the review, I have a request. Guys, please follow my TikTok and Instagram and do subscribe my YouTube. Now let's move on to the review. So as you guys have seen in the intro, today I'll be doing a review on the Sephora Favorites Perfect Pout Lip Kit. And as you can see, I have two sets. They might look same, but it has slight difference. This one is from Sephora. It has 3 full sizes and 2 deluxe. And this set is from Sephora. It has 3 full sizes, 1 mini and 1 deluxe. And they clearly mentioned that only available at Sephora at Kohl's. So yeah, only available in Sephora at Kohl's. And the difference is Sephora has YSL. Okay, so they said this is YSL Mini, Deluxe Mini. I don't understand this thing, whether it is Deluxe or whether it is Mini. But I do have these YSL Minis. So I know this is Mini, not Deluxe. But they said this is Deluxe Mini. And Kohl's one has 1 Clinique Black Honey. We all know about that. This is deluxe size. Both sets retails for $42 US. And guys, I already swatched Kohl's one. If you want to see swatches, so you can check out my Instagram and TikTok. In this video, I am going to open and swatch and use this one. This is from Sephora. Let's get started. Guys, before that, I want to show you this thing as well. These sets are from, I think, last year. And you can see the difference. This is from Sephora and this is from Sephora. And they have difference as well. You can see this one has Lineage and this is Glossier. So Sephora always do that whenever they launch Sephora Favorites kit. They always have, you know, different item in Sephora and in Sephora one. So I hope this thing is clear. So let's have a look on few details of this set. This one is from Sephora, like I said. And it has 3 full size. One is Charlotte Tilbury Kissing Satin Shine Lipstick in Pillow Talk Fair. This is full size. Makeup by Mario Moistureglow Plumping Lip Serum in Watermelon Glow, also full size. And Rare Beauty Kind Words Matte Lip Liner in Vice, full size. Tower 28 Lip Softie Tinted Lip Treatment in Oud Vanilla. This is Mini. And YSL Loveshine Deluxe Mini Lip Oil Stick in shade 201. So let's open it together. Guys, I'm a fan of Sephora Favorites lip kits especially, and I do have other sets as well. If you want to see, you can like I said, check out my Instagram and TikTok. Wait, I need scissor to open this. I'll be back. So here I have scissor I don't know, I don't like uneven kind of cut. My OCD, I want even, like this kind of thing. Okay, so here is, you can see inside, look. Rare Beauty, Charlotte Tilbury. I can show it to you one by one, like individually, clearly. Mario, yes, this is definitely mini, and this is lip Softie. Now let's try them. So here I have first full size product, which is Rare Beauty Kind Words lip liner in shade Vice. That's how Rare Beauty lip liner Vice looks like. Second full size product, which is Charlotte Tilbury Kissing Satin Shine lipstick in Pillow Talk Pear. Very pretty nude pink. I love Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. These are literally so iconic. So that's how Charlotte Tilbury lipstick looks like. Third full size product, which is Makeup by Mario Moistureglow Plumping Lip Serum in Watermelon Glow. Okay, so the only thing I don't like in these kind of lip serum, lip glow, lipstick, whatever you can say, is when you twist it, you can twist back. So always make sure to take out the amount which you can use, at the time. Okay, so let's watch this here. Let's take out more. Very pretty watermelon shade. Okay, so this is very hydrating. So that's how Makeup by Mario Moistureglow Lip Serum in shade Watermelon Glow looks like. Fourth product, which is mini Tower 28 Lip Softie Tinted Lip Treatment in shade Oud Vanilla. If you guys remember, recently Tower 28 launched a mini set. So this shade was also in that set. By the way, I'm not a fan of darker shades. This is nice. So that's how Tower 28 Lip Softie in shade Oud Vanilla looks like. Last mini deluxe product, which is YSL Loveshine lipstick in shade 201. That's how YSL Loveshine lipstick in shade 201 looks like. Now it's time for my opinion on this Sephora favorite Perfect Pout lip set or lip kit. Overall, I like all products. The only thing I don't like, that is price. I feel like over the past few years, Sephora has increased their prices for these kits or set. Even though it has 3 full-sized items, I don't think it worth the money. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Here's the end of my video. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up and please follow my Instagram and TikTok, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube. I really appreciate it. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.